to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 18 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever it is I officially title this. Today, Molly and I are doing another Mini Brands Create. This is the MasterChef Series 1 resin kit. We have 2 today. Here is a photo of the kits that you can get. So these are blind boxes, or I guess balls in this case. So you don't know what you're going to get unless you use a little cheat sheet, which I don't. I guess that I like surprises. Sort of. Anyway, I was hoping for the ramen. I didn't get the ramen, but we did get this super cute almond and apricot cheesecake, which is not quite as good as the ramen, but I'm not mad at it. Maybe the second one will be the really cute ramen that I wanted. So starting off, this one's pretty, I guess, easy. You don't have to do too much. You put the, I guess, apricot glaze on top of the little cheesecake, which is so cute. And you just kind of put that on there. Oh, I forgot the little almonds. So they have these really cute tiny almonds, and they sort of got everywhere. I think I was picking them up. Oh man, it felt like forever. It was days that I was picking up all these almonds. But then you just squeeze out the apricot glaze, and you kind of have to sort of squish it around the top. It's a little frustrating. These bottles are so cute, but they're really hard to squeeze sometimes. I don't know if that's also part of the cold weather, but we used the little fork that came with the kit to kind of spread it around. I don't know why I was having such a hard time. I don't know if it was just the cold or if the resin kit just, I don't know, is difficult. Who knows? So after that, you have to put the little apricots. You just arrange them however you want. This resin kit, even though there's not too much creativity to go out on your own, you can kind of put them however you want. So that's what Molly and I did. We just kind of put them wherever we felt like. And I really like how it turned out. I don't think it's quite perfect as far as the picture goes, but we had fun doing this, and I like the way that it looks now. Well, I guess future me looking at past me doing this kit. I had a lot of fun with it. Molly had a lot of fun too. I really enjoy doing these kits. I don't know if it's as fun for you guys to watch us make these as it is for us to do them, considering I'm mostly a crochet channel and not so much a craft kit channel, but maybe I will do some more craft kits that aren't resin in the future. We'll see. So once all of the apricots were on the top of the cheesecake, you kind of sprinkle on a few more of the little almonds and then finish up with your apricot glaze jam. And then you have to use the light and bake it. It's not really baking, but that's what I keep saying. Anyway, that one's done. Now on to the next one. I'm really, really hoping for ramen. Look how excited I am. Very, very excited, hoping for ramen. And let's see what we get. And it is not the ramen. The second one that we got was actually the summer fruit tart, and it was really fun. I really liked this one a lot. I did kind of like this one a little bit more than the apricot cheesecake. There is nothing wrong with the other one. I just really like the kits that we get to use a little whipped cream, which I think is spackle. And I have wanted to do a project with the spackle whipped cream for so long, and I can't wait to actually do it. I don't have anything planned yet, but it's been something kind of floating around on my list of things to do. It is so fun. We keep ending up with the kits where the spackle is dried out, so half the whipped cream doesn't work because it's already dry, usually at the bottom. So that's really frustrating for Molly and I to want to do these kits, and then the whipped cream for some reason is dried out at the bottom, so I feel like we're lacking a little bit. I don't really know how to fix that. I don't know if that's a production issue, if that's just where I'm shopping, if I'm getting damaged ones, or if this is just a problem that happens sometimes. I don't know enough about it to say one way or the other, but hopefully that is not a problem for other people, and it just happens to be bad luck for us, because that would suck if it was for everybody, because it's a little annoying for me. So these are little tarts. I am so excited. I think they're so cute. We have them displayed, and I really enjoy doing these little kits. But that is it. Those are the kits that we made. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me and Molly today, even though it was a little bit short. Let me know what you think about these projects. Do you like the Mini Brands, do you like the resin kits? Is it fun for you? Just let me know. Anyway, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, hit the bell button to be notified when I upload next, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!